Hey everyone, and welcome to my review of Copy.ai, a powerful AI writing tool. Want high-quality content fast? Copy.ai can help. Check the description for links to try it yourself. This tool is packed with features for marketers, content creators, and entrepreneurs. Need to simplify writing blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, or emails? Copy.ai has you covered. The interface is clean and intuitive, perfect for anyone new to AI. Just select a project type, like blog ideas or Instagram captions, describe what you need, and the AI generates polished options in seconds. The blog post wizard is amazing. Go from a basic idea to a full article outline, even fleshed out paragraphs. It's a huge time saver for content creators. The social media templates are also great, providing tailored copy for different platforms. Keep your messaging consistent and engaging everywhere. Copy.ai also lets you personalize the tone of voice, from professional to witty, to perfectly match your brand. But it's not just for businesses. Freelancers, students, anyone needing quick, professional content will find it valuable. It handles repetitive writing tasks so you can focus on creative work. Can it replace a human writer? No. It's a tool, not a replacement. Human oversight is key. Overall, Copy.ai streamlines content creation. It's affordable, easy to use, and delivers results. Try it today using the links in the description and transform your writing workflow.